Hey everybody, this is Onesta Francis from our PE 16 walking class. I just wanted to say I'm seeing everybody starting to make progress. I'm excited to see what you guys are working on. As we're getting ready to do our personal training programs, there's a couple of things I want to make sure everybody's aware of, a couple of errors that I'm starting to see on people working ahead. So I was going to give you guys a quick demo, share my screen. Okay, so everybody should be working from this same template, and to for your initial submission, you're gonna need to turn in complete all these distances in this top row for weeks or for days 1 through 20. You're also gonna need to put in your target time for rows for days 1 through 20. The actual time and final heart rate, you will keep track of that as we go through the class. And then for the exercises, I want to list exercises 1, 2, and 3 for days 1 through 20. You can leave the reps blank for now because you can add those later depending on how things are going. So really first want to look at how do we fill in this top row, the distances, okay? And so to do that, you'll need to go back to the app that we used for our fitness test, where we looked at the Rockport fitness test, and should look something like this here, where to get once you've done your test, remember you check your heart rate, you add in all your data here, and you click calculate. It'll give you your VO2 max and your score, your rating. Make sure you note which color program you'll be doing. So for instance, here, mine recommends doing the orange program. So you click on suggested program and you scroll down to whichever color is yours. And basically, these distances for, it says weeks 1 through 20, but we're going to operate them as days 1 through 20. And so I'll go in, that means day 1, I'll do 2.5 miles. Day 2, I'll do 2.75. Not sure if it lets you just straight copy and paste. Let's see if it'll work like that. So you go back in here. Oh, no, it's not going to let it do like that. So you'll have to just do it the slow way and just 2.75 and just fill them all the way in, all the way through row 20. Then the next question people had was about how to calculate the time, the projected time. And so to do that, you'll need to go back to your program. So you've got your miles and your miles per hour. And so to find the total amount of time, it's very simple. You just do miles divided by miles per hour. And if you multiply that by 60, it'll get you your amount of time in minutes. So going back to our program sheet here. So that had me as 2.5 miles and at 3.5 miles per hour. All right, so what I want to do here is I'll get my calculator out and I'll do 2.5 divided by 3.5, and then I'll multiply it by 60. Get my trusted calculator out here. So 2.5 divided by 3.5 times 60. So that would be 42 minutes. So my goal for day 1 is to walk 2.5 miles in 42 minutes. So you go and fill all that out for days 1 through 20. So you've got your next 20 days of walking mapped out. Then when it comes down to these exercises, I've got links here for all different types of leg, core, upper body, total body. If you write the same exercises for every day, that is not good enough. That it's not going to help you get better. It's not going to help you get fit. You need to vary your exercises. So I would expect to see them changing either every day or every other day, something like that. So you're mixing it up, whether you're doing all legs one day, all core one day, or you do different upper body core legs, and mix it up as you're going through. So for instance, if you're trying to do one core activity every day, you can start up with sit-ups, then do crunches, then do planks, side planks, so on and so forth. And so you just fill all out, rows out 1 through 20. Again, you could leave the reps blank. Those may change depending on how your workout is going from day to day. The exercises portion are really just meant to help you keep your heart rate up where it needs to be. You should be tracking your heart rate as you're going through your walks. If it's getting lower than, say, 60% of your max heart rate, if it's getting down close to 50%, that's when you definitely need to stop and do some exercises to ramp it back up. You should probably start with some exercises just to get that heart rate going, and then the walking. Hopefully, you're walking at a speed that can help you maintain that throughout. Okay. And again, if you have any questions, you can contact me through Canvas, or you can schedule an appointment using the link in the syllabus. All right. Thank you.